23rd.
Okay, ma'am.
So here velocity time graph, we can calculate the acceleration. So during the first
Can I do the
seconds, we have to calculate the acceleration. Akshaya, do you know how to solve this?
Ma'am, I wasn't there in the last class.
Not last class. I'm not taught anything in the last class. And why you were absent?
Ma'am, I wasn't well.
You should inform me when you are not attending the classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell your parents to inform me.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Aditya Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know how to solve this question?
No, ma'am.
Vaibhavi,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, how to solve this question? Yes, Vaibhavi, how to solve?
Ma'am, we know that acceleration formula is v minus u by t.
Hmm.
So first, we have to find out initial and final velocity.
Okay. So during first 2 minutes or seconds only they have given.
The initial velocity was 0. The
Hmm.
final velocity is 4.6 and the time is 2 seconds.
Okay. So 4.6 minus 0 by 2, which is equal to
2.3
3
meter per second
per
square.
second square. Okay. Between 2 to 10 seconds.
So now the initial velocity is 4.6.
Hmm.
The final velocity is also 4.6.
Hmm.
So the acceleration is 0 meter per second square.
Yes, it is a parallel line, straight line parallel to time axis. That is obviously it is acceleration is 0 because the motion is uniform. And the third case during the last 2 seconds.
The initial velocity is 4.6 and the final velocity is 0. So 0 minus 4.6 by 2, that's equal to minus 2.3 meter per second square.
So,
Now in the second one, should we write the unit or only 0?
0 don't have anything.
Okay.
Ma'am, I already did this question, ma'am, like while practicing now, ma'am. Like
Don't do.
just today. So I'm not writing it again.
do.
Ma'am, is this a question which you already gave in some worksheet?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are doing revision, so the questions will get repeated, no?
Ma'am, this question came in exam, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Last answer I think is minus 13 something.
It's 13.3.
Right.
Type of motion represented by OA.
Where is O, A, B, and C? B and A, B and C.
Can I do?
Yes, Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, OA, ma'am, uniformly accelerated motion.
Uniformly accelerated. Okay.
Ma'am, you gave this question in one test.
Yes.
Ma'am, which question number is this according to the worksheet you
25.
gave today?
Ma'am, should we write this question?
Yes.
Then, ma'am, AB, ma'am, AB is uniform motion.
BC is
BC is uniformly decelerated motion or retarded motion.
calculate acceleration of the body.
Ma'am, acceleration, we have to do like, ma'am, 6, ma'am, 6, ma'am, like 10 minus 4.
So it is O to A is the accelerated motion. So
Ah,
only
sorry,
this
sorry,
part
ma'am,
we have to
6
find
minus
out.
0 by 4 minus 0.
Six
So
is
6 by
final
4.
velocity. Wait. 6 is final velocity. 0 here. 0 is the initial velocity. Time duration is from 0 to 4. So difference is 4 minus 0. So that is 3 by 2, 1.5 meter per second square. Retardation.
Yes, ma'am, retardation, ma'am, ma'am, in this, ma'am, like we the final velocity is 0
Okay.
and the initial velocity is 6.
Yeah, here to here.
Yes, ma'am. Initial
So this is 0,
velocity
this
is
is
6 and the time duration is 16 minus 10, that is 6. So retardation is minus 1 meter per second square. 60 minus 10, sir.
Calculate distance traveled by the body from A to B. Only from A to B.
Yeah.
For that, we have to calculate.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell? Ma'am, like, ma'am, we have to calculate, ma'am, the time is 10 minus 4. That is 6.
Distance we have to calculate with your.
Yeah, ma'am, we have to calculate the area of the triangle, rectangle, sorry. Rectangle ABED. L into B, that is 10 minus 4 in bracket, that is 6. 10 minus 4 into 6. That is 6 into 6, 36 meters. Thank you.
Ma'am, what is the question number?
25.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Yes, Tejasvi. Tejal, I think.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, we calculated the area, so shouldn't it be there in meter square, 36 meter
No,
square?
that meter we have calculated to find distance covered.
Oh, okay.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
distance we have calculated, so therefore it is meter.
It should be in meters.
Ma'am, which question is this one, ma'am, which you put just now?
Don't know. Somewhere I've copied. Randomly I copied. I don't
Should we
remember.
write the question?
Yeah, write down.
This is not from the worksheet.
This is from the worksheet, but number I don't know.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Nitin, what's the answer?
Ma'am,
What's the answer of this?
Ma'am, just give me 1 second, ma'am.
Ma'am, the same question came in the test today.
Ma'am, 5 meter per second square.
Everyone got the value? Yeah.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, that's wrong. 1 second, ma'am.
No, it's not 5.
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I
It's not
tell?
5.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, I am just one.
One second.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, let him try. What happened, Nitin? One more question, this much time.
Ma'am, can you just skip? I'll just tell you the answer in some time, ma'am. Can you just skip
Sometimes
this
it is not
question?
needed
I'll
also.
just tell you.
It's not needed also, more than a second.
Ma'am, I got confused with the calculation, ma'am.
What calculation is needed in that? What's the formula?
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Ma'am, 20.
Yeah, it's 20 meter per second.
Yes, ma'am, I got confused. The denominator will go to the numerator and get multiplied. I got confused with that.
Simple numerator denominator were confused. Why confusion now?
Ma'am, I got it. I know how to do it. Ma'am, it's 20 only, no, ma'am.
Yes, 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Which question is this, ma'am? Motorcycles one.
No, that is randomly I've taken. No, I've taken from somewhere, my other worksheet. But it is there also. This is the important one.
Ma'am, it's there in NCRT.
Yes. Not NCRT, it's NCRT exemplar it is.
Ma'am, can I tell this?
Ma'am, is this there in, I guess this is there in that exemplar solution, that book, no, ma'am?
Exemplar also, I have also solved the same question. It is there in worksheet also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in this question, can we directly add the speeds and divide it by 2?
No, you cannot. Here 2 times the speed has been changed.
Ma'am, can I tell?
At different time periods. Single time period change is not there.
Is it 24 kilometer per hour?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I tell it?
Yes.
Ma'am, so
Ma'am, can you please wait?
distance be x because it's same for both, because it's same distance going and coming back. S1 is equal to x. S2 is also equal to x. So S1 is equal to x. V1 is equal to.
Which one you made it?
V1 is equal to 20 kilometer per hour.
V1 is 20.
30 kilometer per hour. So T1 will, V2 is 20 kilometer per hour. T1 will be x by 30. And T2 will be x by 20. Ma'am, so to find total time, you have to add x by 30 and x by 20. LCM is 60, 2x plus 3x by 60, 5x by 60, that is x by 12. So total distance is x by 12 hours. No, total time is x by 12 hours. Total distance is x plus x, which is 2x. Average speed is total distance by total time. So it's 2x by x by 12, which is 2x into 12 by x, which is 24 kilometer per hour.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, how are the speeds same?
Speed are not same.
Speed, sorry, time.
Time will not be same.
Oh, I'm getting confused, sorry.
Time is not same. Distance is same.
Yeah, sorry, I got confused.
Distance, it is from A to B and B to A. This will remain same.
Ma'am, when can we use the oh, wait, I forgot.
U plus V by 2.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
One speed is moving in time t, that is suppose 5 seconds. Initially, the object is moving with 10 meter per second. In 5 minutes or 5 seconds, the speed changes to 20 meter per second. Only in this case, you can use U plus V by 2.
Okay.
But when there is two different time periods are there and two different speeds, so that time you cannot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next question.
Ma'am, should I say the
This
answer?
answer 24 meter
Before,
per
yeah,
second.
that's what I was asking.
What's the answer?
24.
Yes, ma'am, 24 meter per second.
24 meter.
They are asking distance, no, ma'am.
How far does the boat travel
Distance is
during
not
this
only
time?
meter, not meter per second, not speed or something.
No, no.
It's not 24.
Ma'am, is the answer 96 meter?
Let's others find the answer. Then I will tell right or wrong.
Mom, I also got 96.
Who is this?
Mom, Sanjana.
Sanjana. Okay. Others?
Ma'am, can you just wait for a second? I'm about to finish.
Ma'am, it's 96 kilometer per hour.
96 meters.
Kilometer per hour, you are finding distance, I think so.
Mom, even I got 96 meters.
What 96? I mean, kilometer or no wait.
Meters.
Okay.
Meters.
Yeah, I got 94.
Meter per second.
What's the answer?
96 meters. 96 meters.
96 meters per second.
Meters per
No,
second?
meters.
Sorry, meters.
Meter.
Ma'am, is this question there in the worksheet?
This one is not there.
Oh, I didn't write the
This is
question.
there in the NCERT.
Yes, ma'am. Is that an exemplar?
So that means you are seeing there and solving.
No, ma'am. I've solved these questions before. I did exemplar twice.
Second one is 12 meters.
Yes, ma'am, it's 12 meters.
No, it's not 12 meters.
Ma'am, in this question is U0.
No, they are not given you 0.
And V is 0, right?
What's the answer?
Yeah, yes. What? How you have calculated?
Acceleration will be minus 6 meter per
Yes,
second
right.
square because brakes are applied and moves in the opposite direction of the
Okay,
motion.
fine.
So time 2 seconds, final velocity 0 meter per second because it comes to stop.
Okay.
So we have to find first u.
Hmm.
We can use v is equal to u plus at.
Okay.
Final velocity is 0. So 0 is equal to u plus minus 6 into 2, which is
Okay, right.
12 meter per second.
Yes, right.
U is equal to 12 meter per second.
Okay.
Now, second equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square.
Okay, right.
So 12 into 2 plus half into minus 6 into 4.
Yes, right.
Which is 24 minus 12, 12 meter.
Yes, right. Exactly. No, Aditya, wrong.
What, ma'am?
Your answer is wrong.
I didn't answer yet.
Yes, which answer right now I got?
Oh, I sent it long back.
Just now I received.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 12 meters.
Ma'am, I couldn't hear you clearly. Is it 12?
Ma'am, what is the correct answer?
Yeah, it is going on properly.
Ma'am, what is the correct
Is it
answer?
12, ma'am? Ma'am, is it 12?
Is it 12?
Yes.
Okay, I got correct.
Arinjay, have you solved?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
Ma'am, I'm getting wrong. I'm going to try it again.
You have solved or you didn't solve anything?
Ma'am, I saw they got minus 144 meter.
Minus 140.
Ma'am, I got initial velocity as 12.
Initial velocity as?
12.
Yeah, right.
Then I don't know where I made mistake.
Which after that, which formula you used?
Second equation of motion.
Second equation of motion.
Okay, fine, I got it.
Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anjana, Siddharth, Rohit, Manish, have you got the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Manish,
Yes, ma'am.
I had to
got
leave
the answer?
at 20.
Which one, ma'am? Yeah, 12.
Break applied. The breaks applied.
Yes, ma'am.
Nidhi, Nachiket,
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Now I got.
Ma'am, is distance 3 kilometer and acceleration 1 by 15 meter per second square?
Ma'am, even I got the same answer.
Ma'am, I simplify it into 0.06.
I'm getting 1.5 meter per second as my acceleration. I want to simplify in decimals.
Ma'am, is this from the worksheet?
Are you there, ma'am?
yes, I am there.
Ma'am, it's acceleration 1 by 15 meters per second square and distance 3 kilometers.
Yes, right.
Wait.
Ma'am, is it from
Huh?
worksheet?
Yes, it is from
It is
worksheet.
on worksheet only.
Which number, ma'am?
Ma'am, is it okay to write it in decimal form or should we leave it in
1
fraction
by
form?
15, leave it.
Okay.
0.5.
Our teacher told us to always convert it to decimal, whatever it is, ma'am.
Ma'am,
The lame teacher.
time here is 5 minutes. So if we convert it to hours, what it?
Why hours?
Convert it to seconds.
Convert into seconds.
Okay, thank you.
That's all the question.
Yes.
Ma'am, the before question was distance travel.
Earlier question, acceleration is 1 by 15.
And distance?
3 kilometer, 3000 meters.
Okay.
How do we do this question, ma'am? Calculate speed of the tip of
Think. It's not so difficult question.
Okay.
Ma'am, is the answer 0.005 meter per second?
Ma'am, is it 1/4 meters per second square?
Ma'am, is it 0.16 centimeter per second?
No.
Ma'am, is it 1/4 meters per second?
No.
0.005 meter per second.
0.005. No.
-3 meter per second?
No.
Ma'am, is it 0.015 meter per second?
No. No.
No.
For speed, what you need?
Ma'am, please, ma'am, just give 2 minutes. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, is it 1/4 centimeters per second?
No.
Ma'am, is it 0.025 centimeter per second?
No.
No.
I'm reading is
Ma'am,
0.0025.
0.115.
0.115. No.
Ma'am, is it 0.015 meter per second?
No.
Ma'am, 3/400.
No.
No?
Ma'am, can you solve it then?
Yes, ma'am, please.
So easy question. You people are. It is a seconds hand. Tip of the seconds hand of a watch of length 1.5 centimeter. So to calculate the speed, what you need?
Distance and time.
Distance and time you need. Now find out here. We will take the example of seconds hand completing one single round. One full round. In how much time it will cover?
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
How much distance it will cover?
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
So find out. And r is the length. Its own length.
Ma'am, I got something like 0.73 bar.
No. 2 into 3.14 into radius is
0.16, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to take pi as 3.14.
Yeah. And 22/7 will not work out. No? So speed is equal to distance by time. 2.
Ma'am, how do we know when to use 22/7 or 3.14?
Use anything. Use anything. 2 into 1.5 is 3. So 3 into 3.14 by 60. 3 ones are 3 20s are. So it is 314 by 100 into 20. So 2 tens are 2 157.
Is it 0.157?
0.157
Yes, ma'am, 0.157.
centimeter per second.
Ma'am, why you taken it into like 100 into 20?
Vidyu, that is the basic
Okay.
mathematics.
Sorry.
So basic mathematics now. Now this question don't ask me now attending class 9. They can same thing ask for the here seconds hand they have asked. They can ask it for minute hand as well as in hour hand also. So for minute hand, in one complete rotation, how much distance how much time it will take to complete one rotation?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. So convert into seconds. And hour hand?
1 hour 60 minutes.
Once our hand completes one round in how many hours? How many
12
hours?
hours.
So what's the time?
24 hours.
12 hours.
12
12
hours. So it is 12 hours. So 12 hours you have to convert into seconds. And the distance covered remains same, that is 2 pi r. One complete circle distance covered by the tip of these hands is 2 pi r, circumference of the circle.
Ma'am, in this question, the initial velocity is 5 meter per second, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's if final velocity is 7 meters per second.
Yes.
Answer is 60 meter.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, final velocity is 10.
Ma'am, final velocity is 7, right?
7.
Oh, 7, sorry, I didn't see. It's 7 meter.
Ma'am, and distance is 60 meters.
Yes, ma'am, 60 meters.
Ma'am, if they give such decimal acceleration and all, we can convert it to fraction and do it, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, the distance is 60 meters, right?
Ma'am, I did not in the second question. A bus was moving with the speed. Almost like here, the calculate the acceleration, the distance traveled before stopping is like when they apply the brake, that 8 second, we have to find the retardation and the distance.
Yeah.
And within that 8 second retardation and the distance.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it minus 15 by 8 meter per second square?
Yes, right.
Ma'am, I got 40 meters as distance.
No.
Same 60 meters.
60 meters.
Ma'am, what is the acceleration?
Yes, ma'am, 60 meters. Ma'am, and acceleration was minus 15 by 8, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
1.875.
We have to change it to decimal.
Yeah, I got
1.875.
1.875. I'm finding the second part.
And the next one's also 60 meters, right?
Yes.
Acceleration is minus 1.87.
5.
5 also.
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer. The 60.
Ma'am, in second one, acceleration is 1/2 meters per second square, right?
Second one.
The one which you gave after that.
No.
1/2 meters per second square.
No.
Ma'am, the car question.
Yeah, car question only. No.
Oh, sorry, 1 meters per second square.
In the previous bus question, is the distance 60?
Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the last question, the acceleration is 3.2 meter per second. Now distance is 16
No.
meters, right?
No.
But the last question is it 1 meter per second square?
1 meter per second square.
Is distance 12.5 meters?
12.5.
No, 37.5 meters.
Wait.
37.5.
Into time is 5.
37.5 meters.
12.5 plus 37.5. It's 37.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you going to give us one more question?
Everyone, are you able to complete?
No, I'm just a second. I'm in second last question. Car accelerates 1. I'm in the second last. Oh, sorry, I didn't see.
Ma'am, is the last question answered 10 seconds?
Time is needed. Wait 1 second. Yes, right.
Ma'am, is the last answer 10 seconds?
Yes, right. 10 seconds is the last answer. Now, whoever completed, they can leave and complete
Ma'am, the acceleration, the last question will be minus 0.05, right?
It decreases, they are told, no? Velocity decreases at the rate of.
Thank you, ma'am.
Finish the full
Thank you,
worksheet
ma'am.
by next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Finish that worksheet by next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have
Thank you,
Excuse
ma'am.
me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, there was a question with 72 as the velocity and time as 300. Can you take it to that question?
Thank
I
you, ma'am.
didn't write it.
This one?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
there in the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
take it to the
Thank
last
you,
question.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, last question, please. Okay, ma'am.